Standard JQL is great for basic searches, but when you pair it with Power Scripts for Jira Cloud, you unlock a completely new level of dynamic automation. Once you know the secret to syncing your keywords. Before we start writing code, there is one crucial step we have to handle first: synchronization. Because we're on Jira Cloud, Power Scripts needs to index issues so its custom JQL keywords actually know what data they're searching through. First, let's go to Settings, Marketplace Apps, Configurations, and open the Automations JQL tab. Next, open Standard Keywords. Here, we can use the toggle switches to automatically enable Power Scripts included keywords. For this video, we'll turn on all of the standard keywords, including countOfLinks in the link category, so that we can find linked work items. Now that standard keywords are enabled, let's review synchronization settings. Open the synchronization tab and note the following. First, define your scope. By default, if you don't limit the scope, the app tries to sync globally across your entire Jira instance, which can take time and consume cloud resources. To keep things fast, use the Add Projects and Categories button to tell Power Scripts exactly which projects will actually be using advanced JQL queries. Second, notice the warning at the top of the page that the first synchronization must be triggered manually. It won't happen on its own, so you have to click the Synchronize button to kick things off. And third, auto-synchronization. Once the initial sync is complete and your projects are scoped, you can toggle on auto-synchronization so the app automatically keeps your data fresh moving forward. Now, let's test our JQL search using the countOfLinks keyword. From the configured Jira space, use the Search Work Items link in the left-hand pane and enter countOfLinks is greater than 0. The query runs and our search results show that TC150 is currently blocked by TC143, allowing us to quickly identify work items with active links across our project. Think about how powerful this is for backlog grooming or dashboard reporting. Instead of manually clicking through hundreds of issues, you can instantly flag orphan tasks missing crucial blockers, or pinpoint high-risk epics with too many dependencies. To summarize, Power Scripts for Jira Cloud breaks through the limitations of native JQL, giving you the precise keywords and expressions you need to find exactly what you're looking for.